Welcome back. In this lecture, we start working with the primary data structure in the queue module, the FIFO implemented by the queue class. We will cover the two fundamental operations for any queue, adding items to the back and removing items from the front. 1. Creating a queue object. First, we import the queue module. Then, we instantiate the queue class to create our task_queue object. By default, this queue is boundless. It can hold an unlimited number of items. We will see how to limit its size later. 2. Adding items, the put method. The method used to add an item to the queue is called put. In queue terminology, this is known as enqueuing. We add a number, a string, and a list to demonstrate that the queue can store any type of Python object. All items are added to the back of the line. Three. Removing items, the get method. To retrieve and remove an item from the queue, we use the get method, known as dequeuing. Because this is a FIFO, when we call get, it always removes the item that has been in the queue the longest, the one at the front. The output confirms this. The number 101, which was put first, is retrieved first, followed by the string analyzed data. To summarize, put and get are the core methods for FIFO queues. Next, we will explore other essential methods for checking the size and status of the queue. Our next lecture 38.03. More queue methods. See you there.